In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give customers credit in QuickBooks. A credit memo is how you reduce what a customer owes, or acknowledge a return, overcharge, or goodwill adjustment. Think of it like the opposite of an invoice. It records value you're giving back to the customer and keeps your books accurate. Start by going to the top left of your QuickBooks screen and clicking Create. From the menu that appears, look under the Customer section and choose Credit Memo. This opens the credit memo form where you'll enter all the details that define the credit. Begin by selecting the customer. Pick the correct customer from your list so the credit is tied to the right account. If the customer isn't already in your list, you can add them here. Keeping the customer record up to date helps prevent applying credits to the wrong person. Next, review or enter the customer's email and billing address on the form. The email is used if you plan to send a copy of the credit, and the billing address ensures your records match what's on their account. Set the credit memo date. This is the posting date that determines which accounting period the credit affects. Choose the date that reflects when the credit should apply, often the day you approve the return or adjustment. Now move down to the Product and Service section. Enter the items, services, or fees you're crediting, just as you would on an invoice. Specify quantities, rates, and a clear description of why the credit is being issued. QuickBooks will treat these line items as a credit to the customer, so you don't need to enter negative numbers unless your workflow specifically requires it. If certain items shouldn't be taxed, make sure they're marked correctly so the tax calculation is accurate. If you want to add context, use the memo field for an internal note that you and your team can reference later, such as the return authorization or the reason for the adjustment. Use the message field for a customer-facing note in case you'll be emailing or sharing the credit memo with the customer. Clear notes help avoid confusion down the line. If you're offering a discount as part of the credit, you can add it here as well. Choose a percentage or a fixed amount, depending on your settings, and verify that it appears correctly in the totals. Review sales tax at the bottom and confirm the correct rate and taxable status are applied. When everything looks right, click Save to record the credit memo. That's it. Your customer credit is now documented and ready in QuickBooks.